And I am gonna stop talking when my player talks, just because it is the part of the commentary for the game, I guess you can say. Wait, did that zombie die? Oh wow. I guess I shot his head without realizing. Okay, right now I'm just getting points, pretty much. But I'm also watching that door because I know that that door is open. And this is pretty much open. And I just want to make sure they don't come from behind me. My aim is terrible today. Then again, I haven't played Black Ops 2 in who knows how long. Oh, hello. Okay. Might as well just put him into a crawler. Gonna make sure there's no more zombies alive. Yep, okay, good. Oh, yes, there is. Alright, now what I'm actually gonna go do, hopefully that crawler doesn't die while I'm doing this. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. No, I'm not. I'm actually gonna go get that meteorite. As for the other one is. Yeah, I don't have enough. Let me see if I can do this to get enough. If only I had double points. Let's just patch these windows. This is probably one of my, like, this is probably my favorite zombies map out of all of the Call of Duties. Just because it is, like, easy. There's a lot of fun trains that you can use, and pretty much everything is money stopped. Oh, are you serious? Oh, okay. I'm only doing this because if I go and upgrade and I have like a whole lot of zombies right next to me, I'm afraid that they're gonna be able to corner me before I can teleport. So, alright, this is right here. I'm just assuming it's my method because I looked on YouTube and I haven't seen anyone use this method before. It's very simple and very useful. All you have to do is just wait till they run back. And pretty much, they do tend to hit you once, maybe twice. But other than that, you're pretty much good to go. Like, this is very useful for like round 100s and etc. And yeah, because they're all together with these, whatever this is, it does kill the zombies, not the crawlers. I'm talking about the zombies. I mean, it kills the crawlers too, but these things are very useful for killing the zombies. And wow, my aim is horrible. Really now? Wow. Thank you. Wow. Normally I can just do it the first try. I can get a thunder gun or something. Thank you for the thunder gun. Exactly what I asked for. And I only really use the thunder gun when I'm like about to get cornered and I'm on like my third hit or whatever. I use this. I don't like if it's like this and I got 2 hits on me, I don't use it because I can simply just get out of that. Okay, let's just get them all together. It's easier if you just start it short like this. That was not the smartest. Okay. That's why I said it's much easier if you start short because they eventually gain up and pile up. And you won't even realize it until after you jump that there's more. Yeah, I'm not about to jump that. I think that was like the first time in like out of the hundreds that my method has failed to pile up correctly. And back down. Normally I would use the thunder gun if I'm trying to get the high rounds, but since this is only a commentary, I'm pretty much just gonna, you know, keep doing this. But if you use this method with the thunder gun or whatever, you do tend to get through the rounds much faster. And knife, ooh, that was not good. And knife. And I like knifing the crawlers like this because if you knife them, they don't release the gas. So it's very useful. That should be the last one.